Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we will be retouching this awesome photo from unsplash.com. So first of all, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, I will unlock this layer and I will press Ctrl J to make a duplicate layer of this. And I will go to filter and into camera raw filter. Here you have to do some basic settings, not that much. Increase the clarity, not much but increase it. Some texture, and then I will go to color mixer. From here we will doing something with all. I will go to saturation, decrease the blue, increase the red, and in the luminance I will decrease the reds. Now it's looking good. Press OK. Now I will hold the mixer color brush. You can see my settings here: 7, 15, 90, and the flow is 76. I think we should increase the flow. Now I will increase the size and start applying on it. Now you can see that I am doing it very politely, softly. The brush I am using is the soft brush with the hardness of 0. You can see that I am not disturbing the skin textures. Now the nose is remaining. Go to nose. I will decrease the brush size. Now here I don't mess here because it will destroy its texture, but remember to do a small thing here like this. Something is messing up here. It's now looking good. There are some parts still remaining, and these are the ones. Now we're doing hair. Some more cleaning stuff. If you do wanna do it on the neck, you can repeat the same process for the neck also, like this, but increase the some size of it. You can see that first I'm painting all the textures, so the texture didn't get disturbed after it. This is the part remaining here. I'm not doing it very precise, but you can take your time. So this is the result with the color mixer brush, and this is before, this is after, this is before. Now I will apply camera raw filter again. I will duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J. Go to filter, camera raw filter. I will again mess up with the clarity. Where is the clarity? Clarity is in the basic. Some texture, and now we'll go to mixer. Now we'll go to color mixer. From here we will do like aqua. You can see I have increased the oranges from the luminance, and I decrease the red. Now with saturation I will decrease it. It will take the orange color away from the picture, but don't want to do that. I will maintain it to 0. Seems like okay to me. I will press OK. I will zoom it. This is with the camera raw filter. This is without camera filter. This is the one without camera raw filter, and this is the one without anything. Now let's do that again. This was a simple picture. This was with the color mixer brush, and this is color mixer brush with camera filter applied. Hope you like it. See you in the next tutorial.